This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another 90-second update. As you can see, I'm in the garden, getting a lot done. This is my newest addition. This is my new blueberry bush. This is larger than the ones I'm used to getting. Planted that the other day. When I probably have to transplant this next year. I just harvested dinner. These are collard greens and mustard greens for tonight's dinner. I also replanted this. This is my cherry tree. You can see that it's budding. You want to get to those before it starts to really, progress. I used the same pot. Last year I only had at about half full. I ran out of soil. So this year I properly replanted it. Over here are my strawberries. These strawberries, I put 5 in here. It's probably a little bit more than what I should have. You only need about 8 to 10 inches of soil, so these would do fine in here. And this is my potato experiment. I have one store-bought potato in here. I don't think it's been treated with chemicals because it does have eyes. So in about 3 months, we'll see what we get out of this one potato. So potatoes, strawberries, cherries, blueberries over here. And I have a couple other things going that I'll talk to you guys about in the next video. Right now, I'm going to take these in, clean them up, and get them ready for dinner. This is a Frugal Gardener. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. You guys enjoy your day.